Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tundukkan niyo. We, the thousands members of the Nur Fatima Global Women's Network, in attendance to the General Assembly 2011, held on November 3, 2011, at Noramis Convention Center, Islamic City of Marawi, Province of Lanao del Sur, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, strongly appealing to President Aquino and MILF Chairman Murad to proceed and go back to the negotiation table to conclude the peace process beneficial and advantageous to everyone, so that truth and justice will prevail in this country. Alhamdulillah. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.